What's up, everybody? Nate from Sherry Chrysler here. Today we have a 2003 Cadillac Escalade all-wheel drive, stock number 28929BT. Pretty clean. You would expect a lot more scratches, dents, and dings here in this front bumper, being an 03 in Ohio. Rocks, salt. But no, it looks pretty clean. I like the pearl white. Chrome wheels seem to be in pretty good shape. Tires aren't too bad either. Definitely got a lot of meat left on them. Stationary running boards. Tinted front window. Chrome roof rack. Wood grain. We got leather on the doors here. That's going to be like a tan leather that matches this interior real nice. Obviously, why would they put it on there if it didn't match? Look at all this wood. So much wood. Pretty spacious center console here. A lot of compartments. Stash areas, CD player, 6-disc changer. This thing's loaded. Rear climate control, and it is third row. Let's take a look. Power seats. It's pretty clean for the year. Got your climate controls here, radio controls. Check out that bad boy. They don't make them like that no more, do they? Got your DVD player here in the back of the Caddy. All that's missing is some... Let me see if I can get back in here. Oh, we got a spare tire. But here's the third row. I can lift that up. I'm sure it'll be pictured nicely. You can push this button here to look inside. Or lift it up. This thing is set up to tow. Got the 7-pin in there. The receiver. If you like what you see here, stop in and give it a test drive. Again, it's a 2003 Cadillac Escalade all-wheel drive, 28929BT. I'm Nate. Be great and buy a Sherry. Thanks.